Hey guys, welcome to Staillo Gaming. I'm going to show you how to display your enemy's lives using game object prefabs. So go to your enemy prefab and open it up. Once you've done that, locate your art. I wanted my enemy to have 3 lives, so I created 3 separate PNG files. Next, just drop your art into the prefab folder to create prefabs out of them. Once you've done that, just grab any of the health bars. Here I grabbed the full one and I adjusted it to be above the enemy's head, but you can place it wherever you want. And then I did the same for the 2 other lives. Now open up your enemy controller script or whichever script you want to add your enemy lives. Before or after the start method, create a public game object array to insert all of the lives. I named mine paper. Then you can make a public or private integer to indicate how many lives you want your enemy to have in total, because later we'll have to decrement that when they get hit. Go back to Unity and in the inspector go to the script and change the game object array size to however many lives your enemy has and place each game object into that array. I put my full health in element 2, half of my life in element 1, and the quarter life in element 0. You can arrange it however you like. You can do it the other way around. This was just my preference. Now that you've done that, go back to your script and go to void start. Since we want the full health to appear when the game starts, you'll type your game object array name and the element number you placed your full health in. Then you press the period or the decimal and put it to set active and then parentheses true. Set active makes it so that you can tell this object to be visible by using true or invisible by using false. Since in the start of the game the full health is active, we want the other lives to be inactive for now. Scroll down to where you have your enemy lose their lives from getting hit, and here you're going to place the lives they lost. Using the if statement, if life equals to 3, or whatever number you set your lives or full health to, decrement the life. You can probably do life minus equals 1, which will give the same result, but I thought it'd be visually easier to set it specifically to how many lives they'll have left over. Next, you're going to set the full health element to false, since they got hit and therefore they don't have full health anymore, and make the next array true. Else if life equals 2, decrement the life again. I just copy and pasted the code so I wouldn't have to rewrite it, and place the last array to be true and the rest false. Else, meaning if life isn't 1, 2, or 3, life equals 0. Set the last element to false and destroy the game object, which is the game object array of lives. Now when we press play, the enemies will have the lives working how we want it and where we placed it. Only problem is that they're too big and the lives show up backwards. I went back to the enemy prefab, minimized it, and rotated the life game object in the Y position. Now it's showing up normally. You can see I have to attack them 3 times before the life disappears. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!